As a novice in the world of data analytics, visual representations are significantly helpful in knowing and interpreting your data. All of that granular data can be turned into easily understandable, visually compelling and useful business information with data visualization. Today's data visualization tools don't just make it easier to visualize your key performance indicators, they also unify data and use AI-driven analytics to uncover links between your key performance indicators, the market, and the rest of the world. By placing data in a visual context, such as maps or graphs, data visualization helps us understand what it means. This makes the data more natural to interpret for the human mind, making it easier to see trends, patterns, and outliers in vast data sets. This is where Power BI comes in. It's a self-service business intelligence tool that allows you to create a variety of visual reports without having to sift through endless numbers. Power BI consists of several elements that all work together, starting with these three basics. For now, we will dive in through Power BI Desktop application. Power BI Desktop is a free application you install on your local computer that lets you connect to, transform, and visualize your data. With Power BI Desktop, you can connect to multiple different sources of data and combine them into a data model. This data model lets you build visuals and collections of visuals you can share as reports with other people inside your organization. Notably, Power BI Desktop allows you to connect to a variety of data sources, ranging from an Excel file to over 60 additional data types, with more on the way as Power BI continues to grow. You can also transform and clean that data in the Power Query Editor to create your data model. The built-in Power Query Editor in Power BI Desktop allows you to clean your data. You may edit your data in Power Query Editor by altering the data type, eliminating columns, or integrating data from several sources. It's similar to sculpting. You start with a massive block of clay or data, then shave off or add bits as needed until the data is the shape you want. The best thing about the Power Query Editor is that it records your applied changes, enabling you to go back and forth to the changes you did. You can now create visuals, such as charts or graphs, that provide visual representations of the data. To create graphics, drag fields into the report canvas. A visual is a graphical depiction of your model's data. In Power BI Desktop, there are many different sorts of graphics to choose from. Additionally, there are visualization tools available in the marketplace. You can access it by clicking the ellipsis button on the visualization pane. You can also add more pages if your report does not fit on a single page. You'll be amazed how these visuals interactively change when you click on a specific part of the graph. It will highlight the parts that corresponds to the data you clicked. You may publish a report to the Power BI service once it's ready to share with others, making it available to anybody in your organization with a Power BI license. To publish a Power BI Desktop report, you just have to select Publish from the Home ribbon. With your Power BI account, Power BI Desktop connects you to the Power BI service. Power BI prompts you to choose where you'd like to distribute the report within the Power BI service, such as your workspace, a team workspace, or another Power BI service location. To share reports to the Power BI service, you'll need a Power BI license. Power BI provides a 60-day trial of Power BI service upon registration. These are some of the key features that Power BI has. Power BI combines both the needs of viewers and creators, meaning that advanced functionalities favor highly technical users but also accommodate users working with visual identity and design. Power BI can be used by the smallest teams using only one connector to big enterprises processing data through a variety of connectors and external data. Let us discover and learn more about Power BI with Alchemy.